Here's a video to look up what the CJ Pony dashboard looks like for 66. Yeah, as you can see, this is badly warped out. See, it's not a good quality. And we had to wrap the leather on top of this. All right. Look at it. It's the dashboard. They didn't do the quality work per se. I mean, nobody's gonna look underneath this, but they do have it in bolt, and inside bolt pattern. That go in 1. That's 2, 3, and then we got 1 more on here. So I have to show you the back side. This is what the back side looks like. Very poor quality. Yeah, not a good still quality right here. There's